I'm painting my way through my camera roll because I have too many reference photos. I have like thousands, 4,000 in fact, and I wanted to paint these ferns because they are kind of monotone and you could do greens, but I've been working a lot with India ink lately. This is Dr. P.H. Martin's Bombay Black. I have recently retired from the tattoo industry. I had a handful of these left. They are ink caps. We have something called Greywash in tattooing, so that is just black that's watered down. And I thought it would be fun to use the same system to do these ferns in India ink. All right, let's see how it goes. Okay, so I have finished painting some ferns. Ferns are hard to paint. I got a little carried away, as I tend to do when I'm getting a little frustrated, and I added more and more layers, but ultimately this one turned out okay. I think it's a recognizable fern. I added some metallics to it. I do think that some things are meant to remain a photograph, and some things can become a painting or a drawing or a different piece of art. And maybe these fern images are just meant to stay photographs. But I'm not done with ferns, I don't think. But done for today. Thanks for watching.